Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Hong from Ford Ventures, and today's video we are gonna clean up this engine bay. Right now it looks pretty dirty, and it hasn't been cleaned since day one. So I thought, it being a nice day like this, I'm gonna make use of it, and then I can actually install the secondary battery and the Genesis top back on. I've already cleaned this off, so it looks nice and new. But yeah, this is gonna take a while because I never done this before. So checking on the interwebs, what I need to do is cover the alternator and then cover my intake, and maybe I'll try to cover as much as the battery and maybe some of the wiring right here. But right now the engine is still hot. Well, it's not as hot as the alternator, and the alternator is pretty hot, so I'm just gonna let it cool down for a sec. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a little clean, a little buff with this degreaser that I picked up from Princess Auto the other day. So I'll give that a whack and make it all nice and clean before I put the new battery in, and then do the custom wiring once again. So yeah, it should be a fun couple of hours, hopefully not too long, and then I can begin other things. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna let the engine cool down a little bit more, and we'll go from there. Okay, so pretty much covered the essentials. I have the alternator covered, so I have a towel under here, and then I have the plastic bag because I didn't want the plastic bag to melt with the on contact. So it's covered like that. I have just a towel there covering some of the main connection, main engine connection, and then I took out the air intake box and I just stuffed it with some plastic bag there, so I can actually clean it separately because it is pretty dusty, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what else I need to cover. Thought about covering the PCM, but I'll just leave it because it's sort of enclosed by itself, right? So that should be good. I'm just not sure about the pulleys. I'm not sure about the pulleys. I have one here, and then yeah, there's a couple back there. I guess I can leave it for now. But yeah, I just been loosening up the dirt before I spray it. Just a gentle spray to get the dirt off before I actually start degreasing everything. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that quickly just to loosen up all the dirt, and then go from there. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. A lot of dirt in here. 13 years of dirt. Well, actually no, 10 years of dirt. All right. I think I'm good now. So I'm gonna just quickly douse it on the light mode. There's my spray. I think I have it on. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna spray it gently like this. All right. Let me just put this down. Get my things out of the way. All right, here we go. First clean ever. Hope I don't blow up anything. So just a quick douse of water, loosened up everything. Everything's good to go. I'm just gonna start spraying this stuff on, this degreaser, engine degreaser, and then leave it on for about 10 minutes so it can do its work. and then again do some more brushing to get off the harder stuff, and then a final rinse. All right, let's see. Well, I'm a little scared, but it smells nice though. Yeah, if you guys have a better way to do this, let me know. Leave it in the comments, so when I do this again in the future, it'll be a little bit easier. But yeah, let me know what kind of mistakes I'm making. It's down here, and I guess. I'll just continue doing that, and I'll see you guys shortly. So I already sprayed it once. The degreaser was drying up pretty quick because obviously I'm underneath the sun right now, so everything is drying a bit faster. So what I'm going to do is I kind of just loosened up a little bit more, like all the dirt, and I'm going to spray some more degreaser on it just to clean it up some more. Like some of the spots down here, you can see it is a bunch of grime down there, which I need to clean out. But yeah, like the plastic is looking good. What else? Yeah, probably have to clean up a little bit there a little bit more, and the engine. But yeah, it's working. Hopefully the Jeep will start up now after I do this. But yeah, it's looking good. A lot of the dirt has come off. Would like to actually do these wires separately later. But yeah, that stuff is good. Yeah, I got the throttle mount, got to clean that. But yeah, it's looking good. You know, I got to do some more around here. A lot of grease around that, but nope, it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. So I'm gonna do a second round of degreaser, and then should be good. Yeah. Okay, guys. So pretty much went through it a couple times. It looks a little bit better. See, even the new power steering reservoir is clean. There's just some areas that I can't really get to, like down in there I can't get into, but it's better than before. Being this is my first time doing this, not bad. This degreaser I'd probably say I'll give it a 6 out of 10. It's not that strong. I mean, it took me 3 tries to get this get the gunk out, but sort of works. Like most of the stuff down there is out. I can't really get underneath here. Like this is just, I don't want to just rip this open and clean it. But yeah, the stuff is coming out. It's a little bit better. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit more, and then use the leaf blower to blow off any excess water, and then just put it back together and start it up. Hopefully it does start up, or then we have another headache, and then maybe I wonder if this will work here. But like this is plastic vinyl. I can try to use this. I don't have anything else to clean up the plastic out there, so this might work. Give it a spray so it looks brand new, and that will be it. All right, so let me just let this dry a sec, and I'll show you guys the end result. Alright, sorry about that. A little noisy, but it's done. Not the best job, but not bad for a first time. Alright, this is how it looks. Now I just gotta apply the shine on it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that the Jeep starts up. Just gonna leave it out here a little bit longer to let it dry. Yeah, that was fun. A little scared. Yeah, this area is still a little bit, it's a little dirty because I had it covered. But now I'm just gonna start adding the Tesla tape like this here. Start taping up the wires. And then, if I got time, actually maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I'll put the battery in, test the new battery first. I'll remove this one, test the new battery, and then put it together, put the Genesis top back on, and we are good to go. Alrighty. Alright, one more step. Alright guys, we are done. I would say I did a not bad job for the first time. There's still some spots that could require some more elbow grease, but you know, like here and here, I guess I needed a better brush maybe to get that grime out, but whatever, right? It's gonna get dirty again anyways. But most of the heavy stuff is out of the way. Like down here, well, I don't know if you can see. Well, there's some stuff but most of it's gone. Like this was all caked with sand earlier, and I got most of it out. And yeah, it looks decent. It's not perfect, but it will do. Yeah, but everything is looking a lot better than before. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is just let it bake in the sun for a little bit longer, and then I'll start up the Jeep, and hopefully it is good to go. Yep. Well, that was fun. And then I'll probably have to head down to Princess Auto to get some more loom, because this stuff is cracking right here. So yeah, I gotta replace all this and then tape it up with Tesla tape. Alright, so I'll go through the engine bay, see what's starting to flake off, and then replace it with Tesla tape. But yeah, that was fun. Fun little afternoon project. At least it looks a little bit better. And then tomorrow, I guess tomorrow I'll deal with the battery stuff. I don't want to deal with it today. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the day. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Let me get back inside because it's pretty bright out. Well, if you enjoyed the video, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one.